It is part of our nature as engineers to constantly seek innovation. We bundle our knowledge with intelligent solutions, applications and products. Our drive is innovation. Our goal to significantly shape the production of tomorrow. To drive topics of major importance. To further train prospective and experienced engineers. And to transfer research knowledge into practice. We bundle expertise with the right topics of industrial production and develop methods to convey this expertise to specific target groups. Because as a research institute, our focus lays on building up, increasing and above all, delivering knowledge. We are the Center for Industrial Productivity. A competence center for lean production and Industry 4.0. The core of our institute is the Process Learning Factory, a real production environment covering an area of more than 500 square meters containing all areas of industrial production. Originating from Professor Abele's vision to eliminate the gap between theory and practice, we offer a unique environment in which research, training and application of lean production meet. In lectures, student projects and theses, we teach more than 500 students every year the basics of lean production, novel production methods and subjects within production digitization. In addition to our students, managers and specialists of our industrial partners experience on-site how production can be designed efficiently and learn methods to improve their own production. Participants in our partner program benefit from attractive professional development opportunities and a wide range of training modules, from the basics of lean production to the advanced implementation of a lean culture. Together with our industry and research partners, we develop concepts to prepare the industry of today for the challenges of tomorrow. Ideas of lean production are not only taken further, but especially complemented by new influences and innovations. Numerous long-standing partnerships and awards confirm the success of our concept. In the future, under the guidance of Professor Metternich and regarding the new challenges of digitization, we will continue to research, to teach and to educate.